in progress. So that being 2 flywheels for that Bosch ignited type M. Next step is about 3 coats out there Rust-Oleum. So we get that done. Just saying. That Rust-Oleum green right there. Hunter gloss. That right there, that's that Rust-Oleum. You know, come in a quart can. Well, you know, stopping right here in mid-project, you know, this engine's going to need a muffler on it. So I figured I'd go ahead and build one today. You know, I think it'd probably be about 200. We'll make a count there when it gets done. But drill some holes. Okay. And we'll count them holes up, see how many holes we got in yonder. Well, leave a comment how many you think it is. And leave a comment there how many holes you think's in that thing. And we'll get some of that fiberglass cloth wrapped around it and braze that outer shell onto it, top and bottom. And then we'll paint it with that. And we'll probably use that Rust-Oleum. Yeah, it's that barbecue grill paint, you know, high temperature. Works pretty good, just saying. Well, next step being is I'm going to take a rotary tool to the 6 holes up at the top right there and clean those up at an angle, like take that angle off the inside of those 3 and those 3, and then take the angle off the back side of those there, in order to direct the exhaust out the side straight out rather than a fan pattern, trying to influence the direction of the exhaust gases. So drill them holes in there. I think it's 15 a hole, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 15. So how many holes we done drilled in that thing? And some more. Add 6 to that. So I done already cut that piece of exhaust tubing this long right here, about like that. And then I took a hammer on a round mandrel over in the vise, and I pinged it in. So what we ended up with is when you put this together, get everything lined up at a distance where you measured it earlier. So that's going to expose them 6 holes and end up right at our thread base right there, which will be really good. And then we'll do a little metal finishing with the sander on that, you know. But and the cavity between the outer shell and the inside, being kind of like 1/8 of an inch or a little more, will be filled with fiberglass cloth. Let's get that. The option being is this right here. I'm not gonna go to. I'm gonna build this muffler right here, but I'm gonna pass on to something else on this video right here. Just telling you, like now, if you don't really see about me making one of these mufflers right here, there's a video back in the playlist somewhere or another that really goes in detail on this right here. You know, thumbs up or something like that. So, and this right here, see that's that coarse mat right there, fiberglass mat, coarse. And this right here is well, that's that woven fiberglass cloth. You know, you put some fiberglass resin on it and you make something really strong out of it. But I use it when I'm brazing cast iron. Then I wrap the part when I get finished with it in this woven type and let it cool down with some additional covering on it. So this is just it's been used. So I'm going to use it in this muffler, whatever amount of this. I'm not going to use the coarse. I prefer this right here. You get a different sound out of it. So the next thing is, see, I'm going to cap this end right here and use them top 6 holes right there for exhaust coming out of it. And I'm going to enlarge them some too. But to this point, we need we need a cap on that end right there. So I'll show you something. That's how big it is. It's schedule 40 pipes, what that is right there. That's 1.25 inch, schedule 40 black pipe. So we'll get us a cap there. I'll show you. A good source of cap ends are expansion plugs, and you actually need every size known to man, because whatever you're doing, it'll invariably be the one you ain't got. But decent, this is pretty good right here. So just looking at them. This is a plain one here. I would like to use that. It's a little small. This one, oh, that's a good one right there. And see it? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to braze that there. I'll tape that right there. And then I'll put that on there and braze around through there and then finish it up. And that'll be... That'll be the top of it up there. What I'm talking about. So, that's the project. From here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something Shop Dog Sam. Y'all leave a comment there. Check back.